Hey everyone, if you're looking to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine, you're in the right place. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to make money on YouTube. First up, the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. To join, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you're in, you can start earning through ads. Picture this. Every time someone watches or clicks on an ad in your videos, you earn money. It's all about creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Next, let's talk about sponsorships. Companies are always looking for creators to promote their products. If your channel aligns with a brand's values, they might just sponsor your content. It's crucial to maintain transparency with your audience about these partnerships, though. Merchandising is another great way to earn. You can sell anything from t-shirts to coffee mugs branded with your channel's logo. Platforms like Teespring integrate directly with YouTube, making it super easy to showcase your merchandise right below your videos. Don't forget about memberships. If your fans love what you do, they might be willing to pay for extra perks like exclusive content, custom emojis, or shoutouts during live streams. This creates a closer community around your channel. Lastly, there's Super Chat during live streams, where viewers can pay to highlight their messages. It's a fun way to interact with your audience and earn at the same time. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating content that resonates with your audience, and use these tools to help monetize your passion. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success on YouTube.